Hey everyone, welcome to Shivangi Pandey.I. Thank you so much for joining me. So in today's watercolor tutorial, we are talking color mixing and of course we are painting flowers. We are gonna take it back to basic and just have fun painting these really loose watercolor flowers. So let's start. So for painting these flowers, first you have to dip the brush in water and wet the painting surface area, and here I am making the basic shape of the vase, and you don't need to be perfect in making the flowers because it's a very loose flowers, so you just have to put the brush and paint random shapes on the sheet. See, I am just making the random shapes on the sheets. The colors will spread. It's a wet on wet technique and it's a very good technique for making these type of flowers. Here I have taken sap green for making the leaves. So as I said, we will talk about the watercolor mixing. Here you can see how the colors are mixing in wet and wet technique. Like here I have given the background of the flowers in white color, and now I am just spreading blue color over white, and the colors are spreading and automatically it's giving the shading in the flower. The colors are spreading and giving the shading. So you can use any color you want of your choice. And just start and give the shading. Like here I am giving dark on light color or light on dark color with the help of wet on wet technique. You have to move your brush in circular motion to give the shape of the flower. It's a loose flowers, so the shape will be just random and you can see the flower shape but not the exact original shape of the flowers. So it's kinda abstract art form. I am just taking any color whichever I think will look good in the combination. So it's all depends on you which color you want, and you can paint according to your choice. The colors will spread and mix among themselves, and it will give the beautiful shading on the painting. I like to paint loose florals. I have also painted abstract art with fingers. You can check out my videos, abstract art with finger painting in acrylics, and also I have painted lots of floral abstract. I have a lot of collection in floral abstract in acrylics, but the tutorials are not there. I will create some more tutorial on floral abstracts. Now you can see the shape of the flowers and the leaves, and it really come out with very colorful piece of work. You can use any kind of brush to paint this type of painting. You can, like I am using here, a flat brush of medium size and of large size too. Both type of brush can be used, and you can give any shape of the flowers. You can put one color over other if you think the pigments are not right and you want some more pigments in the flower. Like the flower here was little bit dull, so I give it the shading of red. So it's all depend on you what type of color you want to put on the flowers, and you can always put one color over other any time of the painting. Just make sure that the surface beneath the painting is wet so that color can spread and give the shading. So guys, see how I'm spreading this white color over red, because I thought that there are two flowers in red color, so I should just give some white effect. So it's all depend how you want to show your flowers, in which color. You can put any color. See, now you can see the shape of the flowers. It's visible now. And at last, always remember, when the painting you have to give the finishing touch, you should always give the shading with black or white at the last to give the finishing touch and the final effect in the painting. I always do this thing, like I am painting here with black and white and giving the final effect in the painting. It will all come when you will practice to paint, and of course I think everybody loves to paint. It's so much therapeutic. We all have painted when we were child. So we just have to connect with our inner child to start painting again. Here I am not thinking about any kind of perfect shape to paint. I am just enjoying with the colors. And mixing it and blending it and doing it what my heart says. So you also have just enjoy the process while painting the loose florals, because there is no any type of rules in painting the loose florals. Just have to enjoy the process and painting will come out definitely beautiful, I'm sure. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. I will be posting new paintings tutorials for you all, and you can also suggest me any type of painting tutorial you want to see. I will definitely post. So if you like my painting, please like and comment, and please share. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.